What is going on, my friends, and welcome back to Terry's Theories. I am Terry. Alright, man, I hope everybody's doing great. I hope there's no complaints. I hope you're all having a great day or a great night, whatever the case may be when you view this video. But before we get started with our main video, I'd like to touch base back on the video I posted a couple of days ago. We're having a lot of back and forth debate, trying to decide if this is CGI or not CGI, fake or not fake. Now, we've got a lot of people saying, no, Terry, this is legit. I feel that this is a real sighting. Then we have those that are saying no. I feel like it's absolutely, or it could be CGI. So last video, we got a good discussion out of it. So that's kind of what I'm shooting for with the channel. And now this next video, it comes from Joshua Tree or Belle campground in California, real close to Palm Springs, where we had a subject of a possible UFO then. Could it be related? I don't know. So let me tell you about what we got going on here. This is an orb sighting that was recorded at Belle campground in Joshua Tree in California. Well, you see these fiery orbs, and something weird happens. You've heard stories or even seen videos where the camera dies or there's a malfunction. Well, it happened with this, but instead of the camera dying, we had buzzing noises that went on during the recording, just out of the blue. Now, the witness went on to say that he has never had that type of issue when recording. It was the first time that had happened. All right, now we've all heard stories of, people stating, I was recording this UFO and my battery died when it was fully charged, or I was recording this UFO and my camera wouldn't work. And we've heard of audio problems. So could this fall into that category, or could it be just a simple malfunction of his recording device? Another thing that I want you to notice within watching this video that kind of makes me think that it's not sky lanterns is that they start to appear. You don't see them gradually come above the horizon. You see them appear right before your eyes. You see, one turn into another, then turn into another. I don't see how sky lanterns could operate that way. They wouldn't light themselves. It looks like a light was turned on. Let me read something from his witness statement. He says, we were camping in the desert, and it was a dark night with a crescent moon. We had just sat down to dinner at our picnic table when these lights appeared out in the desert. We see lights multiply and then disappear. We've talked to other campers in the area, and then they said that they have never seen anything like this before. He goes on to say, you'll hear the loud buzzing noise on the audio. Never heard this before or since on my phone. Now, it's also known that, if it may or may not have anything to do with it, but Dr. Stephen Greer had also done, his CE5 in Joshua Tree, and that is, right in this area. Now, could that have something to do with it? I don't know. I just wanted to let you know that had gone on in this area as well. All right, so enough of me rambling on. Check this video out, and then we'll talk about it afterwards.
And they're sort of, oh, there goes another one. Yep. Oh my God.
2, 3, the other ones, 4 other ones.
Wow.
Holy.
4 more just appeared. Wow. And they're all like stars, like orange. What is it? You think it's? It's got to be UFOs, right? I think. Because did you see how they appear and reappear? It's an unusual phenomenon.
Yeah, no, just one went out.
Oh.
2 went out.
All right, so the buzzing noise, could that just be a simple phone malfunction? Or could it be a side effect of this orb, if this is what we're dealing with? Could it be it trying to cancel out the recordings or communication in some way? Or could we be looking at sky lanterns? Well, I don't think so, because you would see them come into view. This object is just appearing out of nowhere. All right, so you say, well, flares. Could it be a flare? We don't hear an aircraft or see an aircraft. And usually with flares, you'll have white smoke that is illuminated by the light in which the flare is putting out. And we don't really see that here. Alright guys, so let's move on to the next video.
certain ones go out.
Whoa,
There's the
comes
other one,
another
two
one.
of them,
Oh my God.
2 more, 4 more. Those 2 just turned into 4.
Can you maybe video? Because I think my battery might go out. This is really cool. And then, what could they be? Could they be spaceships? For real.
Okay, so we have the buzzing again. I wonder, could it possibly be an attempt of some type of communication? I don't know, it's possible. Or again, just a phone malfunction. Now, you hear the lady say, or can you record because my phone is about to die? No, it is in the evening. It could be that her phone battery's low because of a day of use. Or could it be that their phone is being drained by these buzzing sounds or by the orbs themselves? I don't know. All right, let's check out the last video.
If we had a different campground, we might not have been in this trajectory, you know that?
Now.
3, 4.
Whoa.
2 close together. One just
one left.
died out.
All right, guys, so what I think happened is her phone died. I mean, it died right in the middle of recording. It died during one of these buzzes. I didn't edit the video. That's where it ended. Could that be what drained her battery? Could this been an attempt to communicate and it just wasn't compatible? And looking at my editing software, I can see the buzzes. They sound the same, but the wavelengths are different, if you know what I mean. If you can see in the audio section of your editing software, you can see, where I talk, the pitch goes up and down, and you get like a bar of waves. And they don't match. It's not the same tone every time. Could that be an attempt of communication, or am I just reaching? I don't know. I found this video very interesting, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, this took place in California. It is a MUFON video. It is MUFON case number 112011. I should have put that at the beginning. I'm sorry. All right, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and donate if you can, man. I got PayPal, I got Patreon. Anything would be a great help towards the channel. I would really appreciate it. And if you have a story that you would like to email me, and actually some of y'all do, and you know who you are, and I am working on that. My email is terrystheories@outlook.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and share the video with a friend. All right, guys, this is Terry. Terry out.